Awesome films.
Today we'll be doing a burping contest.
The ratings for that round was
1.6. Jiggle.
The ratings for that one was
6.7.
Better.
Yep. Do you need to take a poo-poo?
About 3.2.
Yep, I would say.
That sucked.
Yeah, that was like 1.0.
That was point
Nothing.
5 maybe.
And 1.
And 1.
Yeah.
Probably that was 1.0.
No, that was not a fake.
Oh no, I know where this is going.
So, yeah. Bye, folks.
Don't buy. 10.10.
Yep, I agree.
The ratings for that one was
5.3.
Yellow and black, yellow and black.
You can't see ourselves.
The ratings for that round.
I'll let you name it this time.
0.2. Pretty good.
Yeah, I agree.
I'll go with 5.1. We're about to go, so the rating for that one, 3.2.
That's in the next video. Check it out. Bye.
One more. Grand finale. I was in grand finale. Bye, folks.
Bye.
Bye.
Check out Extreme Jumping.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.